Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and price predictions of my top 5 NFT coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. This is the NFT page of CoinGecko and here you can see top 100 NFT coins listed by market capitalization. NFT market cap is currently 11.3 billion and 24-hour trading volume of NFT is 3.9 billion, and number one rank coin of NFT is Theta Network, and second is ENG coin, and third is Flow. This is the list. I think NFT has very bright future. That is why I am making this video. So please thumbs up the like button for the motivation. And let's get into the content. Let's tell you my first pick. My first pick, I think this is very big pick, and definitely this is a very good project and has huge potential. That is why this is at top on my list, and this is the ENG coin, and it is currently at $1.71 and it increased 44% in just 24 hours. Total market cap of this token is 1.5 billion and 24-hour trading volume is 1.7 billion. And total circulating supply of this token is 929 million, and this is the rank of this token is 52. Because this is a technical analysis and price prediction video, I will focus on charts and price actions. That is why I'm just going to introduce these in very small time. In 1 hour, it gives 1520% gain to its holders, and 24-hour high price is 1.8 and 24-hour low price is 1.76. And all-time high of this token was on March 8, 2021, and the price was $1.76. And all-time low of this token was on 12th of November 2017, and the price was $0.018, and it gives 9,034% to its holders. Currently, this token is available on Binance and Upbit and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get some small cap coins, then click on this Hotbit link and create your account for small caps coins. And if you want to open a leverage trade account, then click on this link of Bybit and create your leverage trading account within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you the chart. Because this is the price prediction and technical analysis video, that is why I will focus on charts rather than fundamental news. ENG is currently at $1.69, and here you can see it. All-time high of this token was today, and it was at $1.8. What is the next target of this token right now for me? Immediate short-term target of this token for me is that price zone, $2. My first target of this token is $2, and definitely it will maybe hit this target within 24 hours or maybe within some days. But my initial target for this token for this coin, is $2. And let me please tell you my long duration targets for this token and medium duration targets of this token. I think this token has a very bright future because this is a gaming token, and definitely this token has huge potential, and that is why I am very much certain that this token will give you maximum gain. this is my target of immediate medium duration target. Definitely this token may be hit $6.5 or $7 within 6 months. This is the target, and it will give you I think 4x and 400% gain once it hit $6.5. And let me please tell you my long duration target for this token. I think in 2020 within 2021 this token should have to hit $10 price mark. This is my prediction for this token right now. Let's see the ENG BTC pair. This was USDT pair. Now I am going to show you ENG BTC pair, and this is the BTC pair. Let me please arrange this chart. Friends, please thumbs up the like button for this effort, and let me please arrange the chart. This is the weekly chart of ENG BTC pair, and here you can see how beautifully ENG BTC pair break this neckline of W pattern. And next target for my next target for this is the zone. Very beautiful. 4,850 Satoshi is my next target for this token in BTC pair. You can say this is the target, and this is my next target. And definitely this token should have to hit this neckline, and then definitely it have to hit 6,400, maybe 6,500 Satoshi mark within this year, and maybe within 2 or 3 months. And I am very sure that this token should have to hit. Let me please tell you my long duration targets. I think in 2020 within 2021 it should have to hit this level. 25,000 Satoshi is my target for this token. This is the long duration target. Maybe it will take 1 year or 1.5 year, but I am very sure that this token will hit very soon this level. And let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please do this, because the next major thing I am going to tell you right now, and this is the thing. Definitely it will hit this, and this is the price of $6,430, I think so. And after that, once it break this zone, then definitely 12,600 is my medium duration target for this token right now. My immediate short term target is 4,900 Satoshi. My medium duration target is 12,000 Satoshis, 12,600 Satoshis, and my long duration target for this token is that level, 25,000 Satoshis. These are 3 targets. I am very much certain that ENG BTC pair will get. And let me please show you my next coin. I am very much certain that this coin will hit will break new all-time high in this year. And this is the coin Terra Virtual Collect. This is very important token, and it gains 25% in just 24 hours. Current price of this token is $0.66, and Current rank of this token is 365. This token is very, very undervalued. I am very sure that this token will create history in this year, because this is the year of NFT tokens. Current market cap of this token is 59 million, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 25 million, and 24-hour low price is 0.51. Circulating supply of this token is 88 million, and maximum supply of this token is 1.2 billion. And this is the website. You can click and you visit this website. 30 days price increase in 30 days 364. Current market dominance of this token is current market cap of this token is 0.43%, and all-time high of this token was on February 26, 2021, and at that time price was $0.22, and all-time low of this token was on December 23, and the price was 0.033. This token is available on Binance, Uniswap, BitMEX, and if you want to trade or if you buy this token, then please trade or buy this token at your own risk, because I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Let's dive into the charts, and definitely I will tell you my targets. Let me please arrange this chart. This is the TVK BUSDT 4-hour chart. BUSD 4-hour chart, and here you can see how beautifully it breaks this horizontal resistance. Horizontal resistance was at $0.65, and how beautifully it break this. And here you can see how beautifully it break this. And now what is the next target? Immediate short-term target for this token right now. This token break this zone, and definitely my immediate short-term target for this token is that. Let me please show you. $0.82 is my next immediate short-term target, and let me please tell you my next immediate short-term target. Definitely this token will have to hit this too, because it is breaking the neckline of this W pattern, you can say, and once it breaks, we have to calculate the height of the neckline, and we have to put that on this. Our next target is $0.97. These are two targets right now. These are immediate short-term targets, 0.82 and 0.97. These are two targets. And let me please tell you my long duration target of this token. Sorry for that. $2.80 is my next target, medium duration, or you can say the target of 2021. Definitely this token will give you 400% gain within 2021. This is my target of this token, and this is the target of TVK BUSD pair. Let me please show you the BTC pair of TVK. For this, friend, please thumbs up the like button. This is the BTC chart of TVK, and here you can see it is currently trading at $1,324, and it is near to break this neckline of this W pattern. Once it breaks this neckline of W pattern, our next target will be this zone. Let me please show you. Sorry for that. I am very much sure that this token will definitely break its all-time high and will create new all-time highs in this year. 2040 2050 is our next immediate short-term target for the TVK Bitcoin pair. And let me please tell you my medium duration targets of this token. Medium duration and long duration targets. This token has huge potential, and this is the year of NFT. That is why I am sure that definitely within 3 months it should have to hit 3600 Satoshi price level, and within 2021 definitely it should have to hit 5500 Satoshi. This is my target of 2021. 5500 Satoshi is my next target, and definitely once it hit this target it will give you approximately 400% gain, and maybe it will hit this. Let me please show you. $7,000 Satoshi is very realistic target, and definitely this token TVK should have to hit this target within 2021. This is the target. Let me please show you my next chart. Friends, please keep supporting and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. Please show me your support. This is my third pick of this list. Mana, Decentraland. It is currently trading at $0.45 and the price increases 30% within 24 hours. And current rank of this token is 95, and market supply of this market cap of this token is 603 million. And my maximum supply of this token is 2.1 billion. And let me please show you some price statistics of this token. In 1 year, this token gives 928% to its holders, and return on investment is 2192, very good rate of return. And all-time high of this token was on March 8, and the price was 0.45, and all-time low of this token was on October 31, and the price was 0.0092. This token is available on Binance, Huobi Global, Upbit, Ox, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, then go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this token. Get the link of the Binance exchange, and please register your account with my affiliate link to show me your support. Let's dive into the chart. This is the Mana USDT pair, and here you can see how beautifully it is in parabolic, very huge price uptrend. And definitely let me please tell you my next target, immediate short-term target. Definitely it will have to hit this target very near future. This is the target of immediate short-term target. $0.58 is our next target for this token. Here you can see this token break this pattern, and definitely after that it is in parabolic move. And let me please show you my very realistic target for this token. I think Mana should have to hit this zone $1.6 or $1.9 within 2021. This is my realistic target. Just I think definitely it have to hit this 400%, and definitely it have to hit $1.90. This is my technical target, and if you want to buy or if you want to trade Mana, then please do your own research before investing and trading. I will not responsible any of your loss because cryptocurrency is very volatile, very risky, and I am not a financial advisor. This is just my technical knowledge and that I am sharing with you. And let me show you the Mana BTC pair. This is the Mana BTC pair. Very beautiful. Here you can see Mana is currently at 970 Satoshi's price level, and definitely it is going to hit this zone 1100 Satoshi very soon. Once it break this zone, our first target will be, let me please show you. Then our first immediate short-term target will be 1970. You can say in BTC pair our target will be this 1960 or 1970, and because it is going to break this, and definitely it have to hit this, and after that it should have to break this zone, then it will break this W-like pattern, and after that let me please show you my second target. My second target is 2600 Satoshi. 2662 Satoshi is my second target of this token. These are two targets of this token, and let me please show you my long duration targets of 6 months to 1 year. Friend, please keep supporting and please like this video and please subscribe my channel because for this kind of informational and technical kind of price targets. Within 6 months, I think it should have to hit this zone and should have to give you 600% gain. I think Mana can do this within 2021 or within 6 months to 8 months. This is my final target for the Mana. 10,600 Satoshi is my final target for the Mana BTC pair. 10,600 Satoshi within 2021. Let me please show you my next chart. But for this I have to introduce this token, sorry. Bondlay. Bondlay is currently at $0.40 price level, and it is decreased 10% in 24 hours. This is the market supply of this token is 983 million. 24-hour low price of this token is $0.40. 24-hour high price of this token is $0.47, and 24-hour trading supply of this token is at 5 million. And current rank of this token is 362, and these are some price statistics of this token. All-time high of this token was 0.87, and it was on February 20, 2021, and all-time low of this token was at $0.06 price, and it was on January 11, 2021. And this token is available on these exchanges: Uniswap, Hotbit. And if you want to open a Hotbit account, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Hotbit exchange. Click this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the chart. This is the Bondly token 4-hour chart of Uniswap, and it is currently in descending triangle, falling wedge, sorry, and the major target, because this is a bullish pattern, and once it break, definitely it will going to hit this level. Let me please show you. Maybe price down to this level, $0.33, and after that we may see some pullback, and after that maybe it is going to hit this $0.63. This is the price mark, and this is the target, or immediate short-term target. And let me please tell you my long duration and medium duration target. I think the all-time high of this token was $0.90, and now it is at $0.40, and price decreases. And let me please remove some drawings. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for this token. I think this is very best time, and definitely it should have to move towards upside, and should have to hit this $0.90, and should have to give you 122% gain. And this is very realistic target, and this may be it can hit within 1 month or 2 months. And let me please show you my medium duration and long duration targets. Bondly should have to hit $2.3 within 2021. This is my very realistic target, and this target will give you 450% gain within this year. This is my very realistic target, $2.30 of the Bondly in 2021. Let me please show you my next chart and my next coin. My next coin is VEX. It is currently trading at $0.14, and it increased 23% in 24 hours. This is the market cap of this token is 218 millions, and total circulating supply of this token is it is max supply of this token is 3.7 billion, and circulating supply of this token is 1.5 billion, and total supply of this token is 3.7 billion. And this is the market cap of this token is 218 million, and 24-hour low is of this token is 0.115, and 24-hour high of this token is 0.143, and these are some price statistics. In 1 year, this token gave 206% to its holders, and all-time low of this token is 0.015, and it was on December 30, 2019, and all-time high of this token is $2.77, which is on January 9, 2018. And this token is available on these exchanges: Upbit, BitHub, Huobi Global, Bittrex, and some other important exchanges. Let's dive into the chart right now. This is the VEX weekly chart of VEX, and with pair of dollar VEX USD. Sorry, it is the chart of Bitfinex. And here you can see how beautifully it is breaking this upside horizontal resistance, which was at $0.13, and how beautifully it break this. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term targets. My immediate short-term target for this token is 0.247, and let me please show you my next target, medium duration target, and my next long duration target of this token. Next resistance of this token is at $0.276, and it should have to hit this very soon. And the golden pocket of this Fibonacci, on Fibonacci retracement is at $0.44, and definitely it should have to hit this zone within, I think, 1 month or 2 months, or maybe within 3 months. This is the medium duration target of this token, will give you 234% gain. And to be very realistic, let me please show you my target that I think this token should have to hit. This token will hit, I think it can hit $1.8 within 2021, and this token can give you 1200% gain. Yes friends, 1200% gain, because I think this token has huge potential and very beautiful token, and definitely a good project, and it is going to boost, and definitely price will go up. And after that, $1.8 is my next target, long duration target. You can say target of 1 year or maybe 1.5 year. Then definitely it should have to hit $1.8, and definitely I think it should have to hit. These are my top 5 coins. I hope that you like this video, and please thumbs up the like button. And now let me show you my VEX BTC pair and chart. Here you can see the price of this pair, VEX BTC pair, is at 277 Satoshi only. I think this token will blast and definitely will explode once it break this zone. This is the first horizontal level, and I think it should have to hit, it should have to break 310 Satoshis in very near future, and then our first target will be this zone, 693. Let me please show you immediate short-term target. If it happens, then immediate short-term target should be this zone, 502 Satoshis, and then definitely it have to hit this zone, 674 Satoshi. All-time high of this token was in BTC pair of this zone, and it was 7,597, and now it is only at 277 Satoshi. I think this token will give you, I think, minimum 10x gain if you buy this, or if you hold this token from that price and hold this token for 1 year or to 1.5 year, then definitely it will give you good profit. But before investment, you have to do your own research. I will not responsible any of your financial losses, because I am not a financial advisor. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. And let me please tell you my long duration target for this token and medium duration target for this token. And let me please show you. Our medium duration target for this token is the golden pocket of this Fibonacci, which is at 4,722 Satoshi. This is the target. I think it should have to hit this target within 2021. This is my last target, and this is the target of 2021. This is the target, and this target will give you definitely 15x gain, and price will be 4700 Satoshi. This is my final price, and this is my final target of this token for 2021. Friends, keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me. Thanks.